lorong dia malu karena hotu ne beda daun akompanya hela programa tatoli aktual. Malu karena hotu programa tatoli aktual ba edi sanguhi fila faliu hau Hortensio Sanchez atu introdus beto bocira katak dadaung ne ami iha Malaysia akompanya visita privado Presidente República José Ramos Horta ninian. Malu karena hotu oin hanesan lorong daruak visita privado Presidente República José Ramos Horta ninian maiha Malaysia. Tuir agenda ne BIH Presidente República José Ramos Horta participa Forum Global IDA nebe convoca husi direitos global liderança inisiativa dialogo no Fundação Direito nebe mak halo iha cidade Kuala Lumpur. Participação Presidente Ramos Horta nian iha forum ne representa nia continuação halo promoção da paz, justiça social no ética liderança iha nível mundial. Iha forum global ne Presidente República José Ramos Horta hato discurso nebe provável aborda experiência husi Timor-Leste nian no perspectiva bal liderança humanista no dialogo construtivo. Malu karena hotu atu hatene klian kona ba diskursu husi Presidente República José Ramos Horta ami silorita bocira ba akompanya direita diskursu husi Presidente República José Ramos Horta ninian.
Democracies in the world, we know too well. It is thanks to the Indonesian army leadership and thanks to, obviously, to Indonesian society as a whole. All of this require the courage of dialogue. All of this because humility, yes, humility is something that you were born with it. Your personality, your person that is generally is humble by nature. But it requires also courage. Because at home, how many couples talk over their tensions, their differences, and how many husband or wife has the courage to tell the husband or the wife, I'm sorry, but I'm wrong. Let's talk. No, you avoid it. And how to apologize to the children. So it is difficult. Or how the professor, the academic, the teacher apologize to the student. Or and between the youth, they apologize to each other, talk to each other. Or politicians. Well, it happens. That's human being. And so it requires courage and humility. It requires intelligence, wisdom. It's very easy for us to talk about dialogue. Obviously, I don't want to mention the name of the person, but he's a great international luminary, big religious leader. He always, when he's asked like this, please, Your Holiness, tell us, how can we have a peace in the world? This great spiritual luminary answer, if we all have inner peace, there will be peace in the world.
Malu karena hotu idane mak diskursu husi Presidente República José Ramos Horta iha forum dialogo idane iha oportunidade ne atau informasi katak Presidente República José Ramos Horta halamos lançamento ba iha livro Anwar Ibrahim Global Justice and Peace Through Dialogue. Malu karena hotu idane mak informasaun be ami relata beta bocira husi Malaysia hau Hortensio Sanchez tatoli.